Multifunctional intelligent toilet. Ceramic white color scheme, elegant and beautiful. Colorful marquee display with digital LED display. Night light mode for greater peace of mind. Auto open or close cover radar sensor. Feeling the foot turning the circle, flipping the cover. The foot sensor automatically closes the seat and lid. Power off flush. Hygiene antibacterial glazing and anti-stick coating ceramic. Adjustable seat temp. Side control knob. Nozzle self-cleaning. Rear wash. Nozzle position. Press again for automatic mobile cleaning. Lady wash. Adjustable water temp. Adjustable warm air temp. Pre-moisture after seating. Auto flushing. Quiet flush.